gonna get to do Flight of Fear with the lights on. Flight of Fear lights on is bucket list item. Whoa! Yo, that's so sick. Today is June 7th. It's 6/7 today. My middle schoolers are quaking right now. We are at King's Dominion today for American Coaster Enthusiast event number 2 this weekend. We were at Busch Gardens yesterday. We were here for Rapterra Fun Fest. We're gonna get to a bunch of ERT on stuff, and we're gonna get to do a walk back for Pantherian, I believe? Yes. We did a much more comprehensive King's Dominion vlog about 2 weeks ago. So if you wanna see a little more in-depth coverage of this park, that's where to go. Today, we're really just gonna do the highlights and the cool behind-the-scenes stuff that we get to do. Stop number 1 for the day. Y'all know it. One of the best roller coasters on the East Coast, Pantherian. Obligatory. Yo, first train of the day on Pantherian, let's go! I haven't eaten anything today, this is gonna be rough. Oh my God, I literally can't see a thing right now. Whoa! I love this roller coaster, man. It's so good. I cannot believe I spent a whole 14 hours thinking that Grizzly is a better roller coaster than Pantherian. And this is not to trash on Grizzly. I think that is one of the most underrated roller coasters in the country. But this, one of the best roller coasters ever designed. Holy crap.
That piece of metal falls.
Stop number 2 for the day is the smoothest ride in the East Coast. Volcano the Blast Coaster, let's go! Oh, very nice. Oh. Oh, yo. Oh. 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 Whoa. No flying hats this time? No flying hats this time. Let's go. Red Train is significantly smoother than Orange Train. Like, we did this exact seat on Orange Train 2 weeks ago, and it sucked. This is so much better. Our next stop for the day. This is the reason we signed up for this event today. I'm so excited. We're gonna get to do Flight of Fear with the lights on. Checking 2 items off the bucket list. For Bolton, lights on was bucket list item number 1. Flight of Fear lights on is bucket list item number 2. You probably can't see me. It's way too dark right now. All of my time vlogging. There's only one B-roll shot I've been able to get of Flight of Fear, and it's this one. We are now doubling the amount of B-roll shots I can get of Flight of Fear. Whoa! Look at it! Wow! Whoa! Yo. That's so sick. Look at that huge Cobra roll. That's massive. Look at that. Whoa. Look, you got catwalks right there in case it valleys after the Sidewinder. Whee! Look how close to the ground we are. Whoa! Huh. That's 2 items off the bucket list in one weekend. Let's go. We got these blackout curtains here. It's just like Monsters Unchained. That's my second favorite dark ride of all time. I'm not trashing it, I promise. Dude, it's so funny because I've done all 4 spaghetti bowls. I've done both Flight of Fears, and I've done the 2 outdoor ones that we have in America. One of those 2 is not open anymore. So we've seen it before, but it's still really cool to see it in a box, enclosed with light. I don't know, it's really cool. What did you think?
So cool. Again, we've seen that, Joe Cruikshanks, I've seen it in front of me. It looks different though, it's weird.
So we got the whole UFO right here, right? False. You have half a UFO. Take a look right there, that's a mirror. They built half a UFO, and then they shoved a mirror behind it. Look, there I am right there. Hi. I love trickery like that, I think it's so cool.
Hey, y'all want to count down or something? Yeah. Yeah, you guys want to count down? Yeah. Yeah? All right. 1.
He's a menace. I love him. We got our electrical rigging down there for all the limb motors. Got a fence around that because that's a lockout zone. Here's that whole launch track. Look at that. Look at that.
You guys ready to ride? Good. 1 yes. That's it. Y'all are supposed to be enthusiasts, and I get one yes.
We have now tripled the amount of B-roll shots I can film of Flight of Fear. Whoa! Whoa! Wait, the loop is yellow? What? Very nice.
Now we know what happens when human endurance is pushed to.
Pushed to what, Jim Cummings? Perhaps when it's pushed to the outer limit? There are two behind-the-scenes tours today. One of them is a Pantherian Walk-back. The other one is a Twisted Timbers and Grizzly Walk-back. They are both self-guided, and it's an hour long for both of them. So they said if you want to do both, start at Pantherian, get in and out as quickly as possible, and then run over to the other side of the park. So we're gonna try that. Let's go. Rest in peace, Anaconda. Rest in pieces. Your trains will live on forever at Carowinds. They've taken us all the way back. That's the cable. It goes in this trough underground right here, right up to right there where it attaches with the bottom of the lift hill. You got everyone lined up, taking their photos. All of these footers coming this way were Anaconda's lift, and you'll see right there, there was the turn, then it went down toward the lake, and there was the tunnel right there. Very cool. That was hype. Oh wait, okay, we exit right here. Do not go that way, go this way. We have 25 minutes to get over to Timbers and Grizzly. I'm moving faster than Chris, significantly faster. We made it, 19 minutes to spare. This was the Hypersonic XLC station. So it came through here, did a little U-turn right there, launched that way. Here's your leftover footers, and those are the old air tanks. Pretty cool. Yo, get it, Evangelos, he's ripping. I was more excited about the Pantherian tour. As a photographer, that one was actually way cooler. We were able to get like way up close and personal with Timbers and Grizzly and get some really cool shots. So I really dug that. That was awesome.
To be feet away from Twisted Timbers track, RMC's track is like, oh, that's cool. I actually have like a picture that I actually like touched the beam when I went by.
Thank you, American Coaster enthusiasts and King's Dominion, for throwing this event together. This is really cool. If you are enjoying what you are seeing so far, you should totally drop a like and also hit that subscribe button, because we're trying to grow this channel. We really appreciate all the support you guys will give us. We hope you're having a good time. And now we're gonna resume our regularly scheduled video. Chris is wiped out from yesterday and today. Next up, we have a Q&A with park leadership. Bro, we got the Rapterra sugar cookie. This was worth my $50 for an ACE membership.
So for Pantherian, why were the trees removed near the center?
If you notice, there's a retention pond for wetlands, and it needs to be clear. so that it can actually capture the wetlands and then let the water go out appropriately.
Is there any chance of Winterfest coming back?
I'm not saying no questions about Winterfest. We loved Winterfest as much as you guys did. There is not a plan to bring it back this year. I cannot speak for future years because things change all the time.
Is there any plans to integrate backline into Jungle Expedition?
We are very interested in doing that. We just have to work around timing and funding and when is the right time that we might be able to do that. But we definitely know that she's the sore thumb that sticks out in the area. And we have some ideas, we just don't have a solid plan for it right now.
Don't sleep on the Rapterra cookie, guys. It's a banger.
We have 1 hour of ERT. We're starting with Grizzly. Oh! Yo, we were down there earlier. We were standing down there. Oh! Well, that station cleared out quick. Hi. Hey, Chris. I was wondering if you'd be willing to tell me about your Letterboxd top 4. Ah! Interstellar, The Italian Job, 2003 remake. I know that's a hot take. Mission Impossible Fallout, one of the best action film of the 2010s. Ah! Oh! Hear me out. Is there room for Star Wars? For Pinnacle, Titanic. Titanic! Oh no! Oh! Oh, rolling dispatches, let's go, get it up! I think the conversation should be had. We should swap out Titanic for Tommy Wiseau's The Room. All right. We got 2 really good laps on Grizzly, but we also marathoned the heck out of it last time we were here. So we're just gonna do timbers for the next 40 minutes. My bruise from last time has almost healed. I can't wait to replace it with a brand new one. Chris, are you using your social security number as the password? Maybe. Oh! Oh! Oh, she's insane! Oh my god! Oh! Oh! I got it. How to Train Your Dragon. Just put that in the Letterboxd top 4.
Okay, all right. My top 4? It's Avatar.
All of them? All 3 of them, and then you got a spot for one more.
Yes. But you know there's 5.
You're pre-gaming Avatar 4 by putting it in your Letterboxd top 4. You know what? This is a judgment-free zone.
Exactly. Thank you.
Let's go!
What will we do without marathon?
Yo! Look at this lap bar clearance, bro. Someone got hungry. There's no way. Oh! 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 Ah! Dude, I got slammed down so hard that my hand flew into this and stapled myself.
Gotta get the universal, oh yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah! All right, gang, it's day 59. This is our last one. This is lap 5. This is 5, lap 5. Whoa! Oh! 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 Yo! That was some Bethesda Game Studios ragdoll physics. Oh my god. I've never been thrown around like that on anything, ever. Oh my god. Little baby steal vengeance. Jesus Christ. Yeah!
It was a pleasure today. I hope you guys get home safe because that'll be your last ride of the night, the ride home.
What a weekend.
What a weekend in general. I'm still catching my breath from those last few timbers laps. That thing was running unhinged. The next trip I'm doing, I'm going to Great Adventure and checking out Shoreline Pier in like a week and a half. However, because I'm uploading out of order, you can watch that video right now. Here's the card right here. Yeah, I know. This is called intentional planning. I really hope you guys had a good time, and I hope to see you around the channel more. It was really cool getting to watch the channel grow and getting to get more experience with these vlogs. We have some big plans this summer, so pretty hype about that. But in the meantime, there are a few things. 1, just stay safe, take care. 2, remember all my homies hate Joseph the Stormtrooper. 3, wave goodbye to the Eiffel Tower. Bye. Bye.